In this video, I'm going to show how to, as you can add the HTML events on your Gmail account. So in this video, I'm going to show how to install HTML event signature on your Gmail account. Okay, and in the very first time, we need to access to our Gmail account. This is my Gmail account. Okay, at the very first time, we need to go the settings button. Okay, settings button. Click the settings button. Under the settings button, we need to click the settings. See all settings. Okay. And then we need to scroll down the page. Okay, at the very bottom, this is the signature. Okay, signature. I have no signature right now. No signature. Click this create button. Okay, and type a name, any name. Okay, create Johan. Okay, and then scroll down. Let's hit the for new email uses. Okay, for new email uses, set the one and on reply. Okay, on reply and forward uses, set Johan. Okay, and then go back to your HTML file. What we have developed. Yeah, this is your file. It is loading. Yeah, already it is. It is to be remembered that you need to open this HTML file by Chrome browser. It will give you better view. Okay, also you can do by Mozilla Firefox, but I prefer to do the Chrome browser. Okay, and now select the whole signature and copy Ctrl+C and go back to your Gmail interface. Okay, and then here paste here. Okay, Ctrl+V, paste here, Ctrl+V. Okay, it has been done. Yeah, and scroll down the pages and finally save change. Okay, finally save change button. Finally save change. It is loading. Oh, it has been installed. Okay, and then when you click the compose button, okay, that time it will automatically add your Gmail. Okay, thank you so much for your nice question. If you have any query, so please ask me. I will try to answer, and I will try to make your project successful at any cost. Thank you.